So the lights I installed a while back on Mongo, these right here. So I originally bought these lights about a year ago, and I bought them because they would run amber and white, together or separate. Probably will not buy again. I have to replace these lights because of this right here. If you look at it, I don't know if you can see good with the camera or not, but yeah, there's a lot of moisture inside these lights. So I have upgraded and put some new lights on, and that's what we have now in the front. Oh, and I added some more lights. Put on these ditch lights. It'll shine down on the right and the left side of the truck, so I can see what's in the ditches if I turn that way. Yep. Hope they do a trick for us.